In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Slack conversation without needing admin permission. If you've ever found yourself needing to save or review important Slack conversations, but hit a roadblock due to the lack of admin access, this guide is just for you. We'll walk through each step in a clear, approachable way. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Slack website. Open your web browser and visit slack.com. This is where all the magic happens, so bookmark it if you haven't already. Once you're on the Slack homepage, we need to get logged in. Look for the option that says Sign in with Google. This method is quick and efficiently connects your Slack account to your Google credentials, streamlining the process. Once you've signed in, you'll land on your Slack dashboard. This is your command center for all things Slack related. From here, make your way over to your profile. You'll typically spot this in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile provides a drop-down menu with several useful options. The next stop on our journey is Tools and Settings. Select this option from your profile menu. It's your gateway to managing and customizing your Slack workspace. Within Tools and Settings, you'll find Workspace Settings. Click on it to access various customization settings for your workspace. Even without admin privileges, there are still quite a few actions you can take here. Now scroll through the available options and locate Import/Export Data. This is the crucial step in our process. Clicking on it will bring up the data management tools, including the option to export the conversations you're interested in. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, click on Export. This will initiate the export process. Your conversation data will be compiled and made ready for you to save or use as needed. Exporting conversations from Slack this way allows you to keep a record of important discussions, decisions, and insights that matter to you. There you have it, a simple way to export Slack conversations without admin access. While these steps are straightforward, it's always a good idea to double check that you're following the most recent Slack guidelines, as updates to their interface or policies can introduce changes over time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and empowering. If you have questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through the comments below. In the meantime, happy slacking and see you in the next video.